Yeah.
Start. Okay.
Hello everyone, my dear champions, to all board warriors. So my dear lovely kids, long time no see. Yes, my dear, I was not well, I was not feeling well, my dear. That's why I could not meet you guys frequently. But yeah, I was missing you a lot, everyone. So before I start this fabulous session of word problem question that is going to help you genuinely in your board exam on 17 February. So before I start this session, just let me know, my dear, you all are there and you all can hear me. I'm visible to you and I'm audible to you. Just give me confirmation in chat section. Come on. Hello sir, Divyanshu, hi. Hi Divyanshu. Yeah, very good. I know you have been waiting for me for last few days because long time no see. I know. So yeah, Sahil, hi Sahil, good evening sir. Prime, hi, good evening Prime. Abdul, hi, good evening. Avri is there. Avri, welcome back. Divyanshu, yeah, I see. Yeah, actually there was a function in my office. So because I stayed there in auditorium for continue 3 to 4 hours and the temperature was too low. That's why I had fallen sick, my dears. But yeah, I was missing you a lot, everyone, because you all are in crucial phase. I know the time has reached finally, your board exam 17 February. So this is very crucial time. So my dear, don't falter, don't demotivate, don't panic. Whatever you have studied, your preparation, that is enough for you. You guys need quick revision and you guys need quality questions that can help you in board exam. So that's why I have come up with 4 days challenge. 4-day challenge. So this is our first day, my dear champions. So on first day, as I promised to you, I was informing you a lot in earlier live sessions that I'll be coming on live on 13th February at 5 p.m. with very important session, most important PYQs, word problem questions. Still, I'm not feeling well. I'm not fully recovered. Yeah, so my voice will be a bit softer today. But yeah, the power, the energy, the enthusiasm is same that you have been seeing your sir earlier in live sessions, right? Okay. Very good. So my dear, don't spam. Let's begin the session. So I want to talk to you a lot. See, because it's been, I think, the gapping of, hello, who is this? Shivam. Hi Shivam. So just tell me, how are you all? How your preparation is going on? Don't see, my dear champion, don't spam. Don't spam, my dear champion. See, don't irritate me today, because at least you guys can show your sympathy at least to your sir, because your sir is not feeling well, right? So at least you should follow my words. Okay, Jyoti is there. Harsh. Hi Harsh. Okay, Harish is there. Harsh, please stop this spamming. Come on, my dear, because only 2-3 days are left, my dear. Your battle on 13 February, right? I hope you all are good. Your parents are fit and fine. You are also fine. And you all are preparing for your board exam with complete determination. Okay. Who is this? Sahil is saying, sir, can I be a moderator? Yes, I can allow you moderator, by the way, but you have to prove yourself that you are having some quality, right? Very good, Monish. Preparation going on. I know you have been following different channel, different resources for your preparation. But let me tell you one thing, my dear. The session that I'm going to give you today, this session is going to help you genuinely in your board exam. Because I have brought up quality questions, word problem question. In this live session, I'll be giving you how to encounter the word problem question, how to proceed, how to think, what short tricks we can apply, right? So the approach, what should be the approach, what should be the methodology. I know most of the students are still facing problem in doing word problem questions, and word problem question will give you short 4 to 5 marks, right? And one thing I want to tell you, my dear sir, your class. Yes, Rohan, thank you so much, Rohan. Very good. Thank you so much for your appreciation. See, my dear, you all are very important. You all are very important for me. Each one of you is important. And you all deserve good result for yourself, for your parents also. Right? So you have to prove yourself. So this is very crucial moment, my dear. This is one of the crucial moment for any student of their life, right? So don't panic, don't demotivate, and don't divert. Don't indulge in different kind of activity. Come on, stop everything. Focus on your board exam. And I'm here to guide you formally, right? Okay. So best thing about, look at the question, look length, don't panic after looking at the question, the length of the question. Oh my god, the question is so big, how to proceed, how I can solve this question. Come on, the question is so easy. Your approach, your thinking ability, how you guys read the statement, how you guys read the scenario, you guys make yourself questions complex, solution complex. I'll be giving you today in this live session how you can make the equation comfortably, and once you write the equation comfortably, the rest thing will be mathematical calculation there, right? So nothing is right, sir, today. Very good, superb. So my dear champion, so before I start this session, let me tell you one more thing first, so that I can solve, we can start with question number 1. This is very important information announcement, I can say simply. So on 13 February, that is today, I have already come up with live word problem question. On 14 February, I'll be giving you complete quick revision, rapid fire revision on 14 February. On 15 February, again we'll be covering chapter number 7 to 14. On 14 February, chapter number 1 to 6 I'll be covering complete revision, right? And on 15 February, I'll be giving you complete revision, quick revision of chapter number 17 to chapter number 14, 7 to 14, my dear. Only summary, only important points we'll be discussing over there, so that you guys can make sure to score 40, 45, 60 marks in your exam. So I'll be giving you complete quality revision. Don't worry, my dear. If any student might be thinking, sir, my preparation is not well, my syllabus is still not covered, so I'm here for you. You guys can join this session, these two. And on 16 February, PYQ session will be there, and this is the mega revision. Chapter number 1 to 14, complete chapter will be doing. Okay, my dear champion, I hope you are getting my point. So on 16 February, complete session will be there. Okay, one more thing apart from this, I know you guys required some formula sheet in these days, so that you guys can go through formula entire mathematics from real number to probability in just 2 to 3 minutes. So to make this convenient and comfortable to you all, I'm giving you just a gift, my dear, from your teacher Sonu Sir. So how you guys can download the formula sheet, look, my dear. So in this video, go in description link, there will be 3 links over there. If you hit the first link, you can download free 5 math sample paper questions, quality sample paper. Come on, my dear, kindly make sure to practice these 5 simple question paper before sitting in examination hall on 17 February, right? And second will be, the second link will give you the class 10th complete maths formula sheet. I really worked hard, my dear, to create this formula sheet. Very systematically, very cluttered, and very beautiful formula sheet is there. Go, and in one PDF, in single PDF, you guys can get complete formula that will help you in your board exam from real numbers to probability. And third will be download class 10th maths formula cheat sheet. In single sheet, every important required formula will be there. So I'm giving you, my dear, this is just a reward, this just a gift from my side. Go and hit the link, and you guys can get the formula sheet from the description. Link is given there. Okay, my dear champion. So let's move to the session day 1 challenge. Let's do question number 1. Okay, who is this? Thank you so much, Surinder. Yeah, I'm okay, yaar. See, my dear champion, your exam and your result is, most important than my health, my dear. I'll be recovered, don't worry. Your blessings are always with me, my dear champions, my all 10th warriors. So nothing is going to be happen to me. I'm okay, I'm fully recovered. So let's start the session. Okay. Thank you so much, Shobha. Thank you so much, Shobha. Yeah, very good. It really means a lot to me. Okay. So let's solve this question. So my dear, now please focus on these questions, because you have only 3 days, 3 to 4 days. You are just 3 days away from your board exam. So I think instead of texting, playing the game of chatting and all with the strangers, I think you should focus on questions only. Right? Nothing will work you, nothing will help you, only the practice will help you in examination hall. Right? Okay. Oh, now who is this creative is saying? Nobody, nothing like that. Come on. Okay, so let's do the question. So, my dear, the beautiful thing about this session is not only practicing the question. The beautiful part of this today's live session is how to solve the word problem. What should be the approach? How I am going to solve? Look at the procedure. Look at the methodology, what I am following here. Right? Okay. Super. Who is this? Vansh. Yeah. Okay. Himanshi. Hi, Himanshi. Okay, let's begin. So the question is, Vijay had some bananas and he divided them into two lots, A and lot B. Okay. Okay. He sold first lot at the rate of rupees 2 for 3 bananas and the second lot at the rate of rupees 1 per banana and got a total of rupees 400. So from here, my dear, from here to here, this is the one single statement. So this information will give you an equation. Right, from here to here will give you an equation in the form of variable x and y we can let. And the second equation you can get here from this information. If he had sold the first lot at the rate of rupees 1 per banana and second lot at the rate of 4 rupees per 5 bananas, his total collection would have been rupees 460. So this yellow statement will give you single equation, and this red marked will give you the second equation. And once you get two equations, everything will be in your hand, my dear. So how we can create the equation? Please focus. So my dear champions, so there are two lots of bananas. So my dear, so first lot, let's say this is lot A, right? And here this is lot B. This is box, this is lot B. So there are two lots, and in both the lots bananas are kept. Lot A and lot B. Now read out the first statement. When 2 rupees for 3 bananas, when someone bought 2 rupees for 3 bananas this is from first lot, come on, from first lot. So we don't know the rate of banana of this lot and the rate of 1 banana for this lot. We don't know. So first what you have to do? Please assume the rate of 1 banana from both the lots. First what we have to do? First assume the rate of 1 banana from each lot. So how we can do here? Listen, my dear. So let the cost of 1 banana, let the cost of 1 banana, or we can say also cost of banana from lot 1. Okay, let the cost of 1 banana from lot A be X rupees. Let's say this is X rupees, and similarly let the cost of 1 banana from lot B will be what, my dear? Y rupees. So first assume this. The rate of banana from lot A is X rupees, 1 banana, and this is for Y rupees. Now read the statement. Look, the rate of 2 for 3 bananas from first lot means X. So my dear champion, can you see here? 2 rupees for 3 bananas from lot A. If someone bought 3 bananas from 2 rupees, come on, 3 bananas from what, my dear? Rupees 1, rupees 2. So if the cost of 3 bananas is equal to 2 rupees, so what will be the cost of 1 banana? 1 banana from lot A will be costing what? 2 by 3. This will be 2 by 3. This will be 2 by 3. Right, so this will be 2 by 3. I hope you are getting my point. This will be 2 by 3 rupees. 2 by 3 rupees. 1 banana from lot A will be 2 by 3 rupees. Now look, the rate of 2 for this banana. So can we write the equations, my dear? The rate of 2 banana and the rate of 1 banana is 2 by 3x. So what will be the equation? How many banana we bought from this? We have to find out the number of banana. So this is basically, my dear, number of banana. This is the, don't write here the cost. This will be the number of banana. Number of banana, my dear. Because cost is already given, so we don't need to write this. Let the number of banana from lot A. In lot A we can write there. In lot A, that will give you in lot A in lot B. So that will help you a lot. Okay, so this is basically, my dear champion, in lot A, in lot B, because we have to find out this number of banana he had. So we have to let both the values. So this is number of bananas in lot B. So my dear, how we can write the equations? Come on. So this equation will be 2 by 3. This is the rate of one banana, but how many bananas they are taking? This, my dear, 2 by 3 into x. Why? Because x number of banana, let's say he bought x number of banana. He bought, okay, so 2 by 3x plus, can you see here? Can you see here? The second lot at the rate of 1 rupees. 1 rupees, come on, 1 rupees. 1 rupees banana, 1 rupees from lot B. So 1 rupees, and how many banana he bought? Y. So we can write here 2 by 3x y equal to this is 400. I hope you are getting my point. See, let me tell you one very important logic. Whatever is the last statement, come on, look at the statement. This statement is find the number of banana he had. So we are not sure. We are not sure. So we can write let the number of banana he had in lot A is x rupees. This is he had. Basically the number of banana he had, right? And this is y. And by using this equation we can write, can we form this simple equation? Can we make this simple? So this will be 2x plus 3y, and 4 3 are 12. This is 1200. This is the equation number 1. Now come at equation number 2. So if he had sold the first lot at the rate of 1 rupees banana, so this is from lot A, 1 rupees banana. And what is the rate of 1 rupee, 1 banana? This is 2 by 3. So now how many banana he has? X banana, and he is selling 1 rupees per banana of lot B, lot A. So that will be x into 1, that will be x. Now second lot at the rate of 4 per 5 banana from second lot, rupees for 5 banana, for 5 banana, my dear, for 5 banana, if someone is taking 5 rupees, so one banana will cost 4 by 5. And this is from lot number B. And from lot number B, how many banana he had? Y banana. So can we write this will be equal to what, my dear? 4 by 5 into Y, because we are talking about lot number 2, and that will be equal to how much money he paid? This is 460. Can we modify this by taking LCM? So this is 4x plus 4y, and can we multiply this? So this is 5x 30, 0 will be there, and this is 2300 will be there. 2300 will be there. I hope you are getting my point. So we have 2 equations. Now look at the solution. We have 2 equations, this and this, this and this. Can we apply elimination method? You can apply any method, substitution, elimination, whatever. So now to apply elimination method, we have to make the coefficient similar. This is 2x plus 3y, and this is 5x plus 2y. So you can eliminate anything. Either you can eliminate x value or you can eliminate y value. So I will go through this. I will eliminate x value. So for this equation, we have to multiply this equation by 5, and we can also eliminate this one. So let's eliminate y. So this is 3y. So 3 into 4 will be 12, and 4 into 3 will be 12. So multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2, multiply equation 1 by 4 and equation 2 by 3. Why? To make the coefficient of y similar. So after multiplying this by 4, it will be 8x plus 4 3 are 12y equals to this 12 into 4, 4800, right? I am multiplying this by 3, so 5 3 are 15x plus 4 3 are 12y and multiplying this by 3, so this will be 3 3 are 9, 2 3 are 6, 6900. I hope you are getting my point. 23 into 3 will be 6900. Can we subtract? Yes, we can subtract. So this will be cancelled. 8x minus 15x, 8x minus 15x minus 7x will be there, and 48 minus 6900. What will be the value? Can we find out the value? After multiplying this, I think this will be 2100 and in negative form. So minus minus will be cancelled. So x will be equal to 2100 divided by 7. So that will be equal to 300. Wow. So how many bananas he bought from lot number A? This lot number A is X. So 300 bananas. So can we find out Y, my dear? So what will be Y? So what will be Y? We can put this value anywhere. Here, put this value here. So 2 into 300. 2 into 300 will be 600. And 600 will go there. So 1200 minus 600 will be 600. So 3Y, Y equals to this Y, X is equals to, so we want to find out Y here. So Y equals to, Y equals to 1200 minus 2X. So 2 into 3 will be 600. And this is basically 3Y, my dear. So 3Y is equal to 600. So Y equals to 200. Now, what is question? This is not the answer. The question is find the total number of bananas he had. So Vijay had banana from lot A and lot B both. So what will be the total number of bananas? So total bananas he had will be 300 plus 200, which will be equal to 500. Answer. This is the answer, my dear. So the important thing in this question is logic. This one, this rupees 2 for 3 bananas. So if rupees 2 for 3 bananas, so one banana will be equal to 3 by 2 rupees. And here 4 rupees per 5 bananas. So if 4 rupees per 5 banana, so one banana will be, I hope you know this unitary method, you might have studied in class 7th and 8th. So one banana will be equal to 4 rupees, 4 by 5 rupees. So this was the logic in this question. I think you have understood it well. Just let me know, my dear, this is clear to you, everyone. Just let me know, my dear, this is clear to you, everyone. Just let me know everything is clear. Is it clear? Yes, Shazrif. Very good. Very good. I hope everything is clear. Clear, sir. Rohan, very good. So see, my dear, what you have to do in word problem question, always read the last line, last statement. Look, what is the last statement here? This, find the total number of bananas. I don't know, na? There are two categories, lot A, lot B. We don't know how many bananas he had. So always let the values. Whatever is the second statement in the question in word problem, always let that value. So we don't know how many bananas he bought from lot A, and I don't know how many bananas he bought from lot B. So that's why number of banana he bought from lot A, we have assumed X. Number of bananas he bought from in lot B, we have assumed here Y. And after assuming the value, you will be free, you will be able to write the equations well. And once your equation will be with you, everything will be clear. Hi Solo, hi everyone. Hi everyone. Very good. I hope everything is clear. Any doubt to anyone? Yes. Hi Shitala, I don't know his name. Okay. I hope everything is clear. Clear. Hi Solo. Jedini Singh, sir, can you please explain once again? So it is not possible to explain word problem, my dear, because I have already so many questions to do today. Hi, Kyasa is Kavya, right? If I'm right here, Kavya is there. Okay. Hi, thank you, Solo. Very good. Got it, sir. Superb. Okay, see, someone is asking, sir, can you please repeat again? So I cannot repeat this whole solution again, but yeah, I can give you just short summary again for this question, because as per my experience, in my opinion, this question is important as per your this year board exam 2026 point of view. This is my experience, my dear. Okay, so let me give you a short explanation for all those students who is asking to repeat again. So listen, my dear. The question was, there is a boy Vijay who had some bananas. Vijay had bananas and he divided them into two lots. He divided into two lots, lot A and lot B. Let's say assume lot is means box. Box A, box B, right? Okay. He sold first lot, when he sold first lot at the rate of 2 rupees 3 banana from lot A. My dear, listen. This is lot A and this is lot B, right? Listen, from lot A, he sold first lot at the rate of 2 rupees for 3 bananas, right? And the second lot at the rate of 1 rupees per banana, right? And he got total rupees 400. So some information is there. Go to the last line. What is the last line? Last line is find the number of total number of bananas he had. I don't know, na? I don't know how many bananas he had, right? So let's assume X banana here, and let's assume in lot B Y bananas are there. X banana in lot A and Y banana in lot B, right? Now look how we can create the equations. Look, when he sold 2 rupees, when he sold 3 bananas for 2 rupees in lot B, so what will be the cost of 1 banana here? 1 banana, what will be the cost of 1 banana? Come on my dear, what will be the cost of 1 banana from lot A? If 2 rupees, I know you have studied in class 7th and 8th. If 2 banana is equal to, if 2 rupees, if 3 banana is equal to, my dear, 2 rupees, right? If 3 bananas equal to 2 rupees, so what will be the cost of 1 banana? Come on, unitary method. So 1 banana will be equal to 2 by 3 rupees. I hope you are getting my point. I hope you are. So cost of 1 banana, I am still talking about lot 1. Cost of 1 banana is what? 2 by 3 rupees. Now look, and the second lot at the rate of 1 rupees per banana. So here the cost of 1 banana in lot B, I am talking about, this was for lot A and this is for lot B. 1 banana cost is what, my dear? 1 banana cost is what, my dear? 1 rupees. Now can you see here how much money he got? How much money he got? 400 rupees. Don't go to the second statement. First operate the first equation. So how many bananas was in first lot? How many banana was in first lot, my dear? X bananas. And if X bananas is there and he got, after selling these 2 lots, he got 400 rupees. So 2 by 3 for 1 banana, and how many bananas were there? X banana, plus this, how many bananas are there? Y banana, and cost of 1 banana is Y, so this is plus Y. Y into 1 will be Y. And how much money he got? He got 400 rupees. I hope, can you please modify this equation by taking LCM? So 2x plus 3y will be equal to 400. This was the first. From here to here, we have created the equation. Now read the statement from here to here to create one more equation, because 2 variables are there, X and Y are there. So again same situation is there, lot A and lot B. Now when he sold the first lot at the rate of 1 per banana, and how many bananas are there in first lot? X banana, so this will be X plus X into 1 will be X, and 5 rupees per 5 banana. Come on, in lot B he is charging 4 rupees per 5 banana. Come on, per 5 banana. So 1 banana will be equal to 5 by 4. And how many bananas are there in lot B? Y banana. So this will be multiplied, and the whole cost will be equal to 460. Can we please take LCM? So this will be 4x plus 5y, and 4 into 46 will give you this. I hope you are getting my point. 5 banana is equal to what? 4 rupees. So this is 4 by 5, I think. 4 by 5. My dear, can you getting my point? This 4 rupees, 5 banana. So 1 banana will be 4 by 5. So this is 5 by 4 mistakenly written. So this is 4 by 5. I hope you are getting my point. This is 4 by 5, right? 4 by 5, here also 4 by 5 equals to y, 460. Can we take LCM? So this will be 4x, this is only x, we have already taken. So this is 5x divided by 5x plus 4y, right? And 460 into 5 will be 2300. You have two equations, this and this. By solving this equation, you can get the result. Moving to, my dear, again I am repeating, again I am telling you guys, if you want formula sheet, my dear, go in the description link of this. Hi everyone. Yes sir. Very good, superb. My dear, if you are looking for quality formula sheet that can help you out to revise entire formula of your maths in 2 to 3 minutes, my dear, go and download this formula sheet here, given link in the description. Go. And one more thing, apart from that formula sheet, 5 math sample paper questions are also there. So make sure to practice all those simple question paper before your exam, and one formula cheat sheet also there. So go and hit the link, you guys can get the quality formula sheet. Moving to the next question. Wow, look at the question. Look at the question. Yes, who can solve this question? Just let me know. Write your name here. Yes, hi. My dear champions, just let me know your name, please. Who can solve this question? Very good. Hey bro, Tannu. Wow, what a name. Hey bro, Tannu. If you have revised the formula, well and good, very good. All the very best. Sir, seeing your efforts and teaching overnights, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Jadini, I don't know your name, but stay blessed. My blessings with you. See, sometime number never matters for me. If only 5 students are coming here, they will be remembering me in examination hall even after the result declaration that some teacher taught me something special, because whatever topic and theory I'm discussing with you here on my live sessions, that will genuinely help you in your board exam. You all are going to remember me in examination hall. This is my complete assurance to you, everyone. So I'm not coming here and standing here randomly to just waste the time and just for interaction with you, just to talk with you. No, my dear. My intention is to give you something unique, something I can deliver, quality content for you all that will boost up your performance in your board exam, my dear. This is my intention. Okay. Very good, Divyanshu, superb. Hi. So, look at the question. So, my dear champion, see, this is age-based question, and some student might have problem yet how to encounter the age-based question. And I have already suggested you, whenever this question appears in front of you, age-based question, my dear, always try to find out first how many persons are there in the question. How many persons? So if you can look at the question here, 2 years ago father was old son. Okay, 2 persons are there, father and son. Come on, father and son. So what you have to do, first find out how many persons are there, and always let their present ages first. Without letting the present ages, you cannot form the equation, and if you cannot form the equation, you cannot proceed the solution. So this is the big trick, my dear. Whenever you are doing the question, Sajrif have solved. Okay, Sajrif, just wait a little while. I'm here for everyone. Okay, so what we have to do here, always let the present ages. So how many persons? Father and son are there. So please let their present ages. Let the present age of father be x years, right? Let the present age of father be x years, and let the present age of son be y years. Why I am telling you this? Why? Because this is the beauty of maths. In word problem type question, in 4 marker, 5 marker, 3 marker question, if you follow the steps, my dear, so CBSE tells that you might get marks also on your step. If unfortunately your answer is not coming, you are not getting answer correctly, but if you have followed the way, you have written the formula and everything, you have created the equation, you get the marks, my dear. I have been evaluated thrice in CBSE, so I know the rules and regulation, my dear. So always try to attempt all the questions and try to write the solution whatever you can, the way whatever you want to write the formula, follow the steps and everything. This is the marking scheme of CBSE, my dear. So don't skip the steps and don't negotiate with the steps, my dear, always. Please make sure. So let the present age of father be x years and let the present age of father be y years. Now look, we are talking about here 2 years ago. The first condition is 2 years ago. 2 years ago. 2 years means 2 years before. If my age, let's say I'm giving you for example, if my age is 28 or 30, so what was my age before 2 years? Yes, you guys can reply 28. If we know the present age of any person, we can find out the age after or before. So to find out the after and before ages of persons, right, first present age must be there. So that is the reason why. So this is 2 years ago. So first write here before 2 years. So right here before 2 years. What is the condition? Look at the condition. The father was 5 times as old as his son, and this is all about 2 years ago. Come on, my dear. If the present age of father is x, so what was his age 2 years ago? X minus 2. And son is also human being, so he also was 2 years younger, so y minus 2. But at that time, this age, the father age 5 times as old as his son, 5 times. So we have to multiply by 5. So can we open this bracket? So x minus 2 will be equal to 5y minus 10. Can we shift this minus 10 this side, or minus 2 will go that side? So 5y minus 10 plus 2. So I think we are getting here 5y minus 8. Call this equation number 1. Nothing is challenging here. Now look at the second statement. Look at the second statement. 2 years later. Come on. This was 2 years before. Now 2 years later. Right here. 2 years later. So my dear, if their present ages are x, if their present age are x and y, so 2 years later, 2 years later, the father age will be x plus 2. Yeah, 2 years, the father will be 2 years older after 2 years, so x plus 2. And yes, my dear, son will also be 2 years older, so y plus 2, because both are human beings, right? If father is growing, so son will also be grown, so y plus 2. But 2 years later, his age, means father age, will be 8 more than, whenever more than term comes up, please add the number. 8 more than 3 times the age of the son at that time. 3 times the age of the son. So 2 years later, the father age is, 2 years later, the father age is 8 more than, so I'm adding 8. 8 more than 3 times y plus 2. I hope you are getting my point. Can we solve this? So x plus 2 will be equal to 3y plus 3 to just 6 plus 8, right? So x equals to 3y, and this is 8 plus 6, 14, and 2 will go there. So we are getting here 12. I hope you are getting my point. 8 plus 6 will be 14, and this 2 will go there. So 14 minus 2 will be 12. So this is, my dear, second equation. Come on, yaar. You have first equation, this, and you have second equation. Can we equate both? So from first and second, can we put the values? So this is 5y minus 8 will be equal to 3y plus 12, because this is also equal to x and this whole family is also equal. So both will be equated, right? So can we shift 3y this side? So 5y minus 3y will be 2y, and this minus 8 will go there. Minus 8 will go there. So minus 8 plus this will be 20. So 12 plus 8 will be 20. So y we are getting here 10. And if you are getting y as 10, so what will be the value of x? So x will be here 5y minus 8. So x will be 5 into 10 minus 8. So this will be 50 minus 8, and 50 minus 8 will be 42. My dear champion, listen, you all are so close of your board exam, just 3 days away, right? So always make sure whenever you are solving such questions, so don't leave your answer till here. Because the question is, what is the present ages? What are the present ages of the father and son? So whenever you are getting the value of x and y, please make sure to write the answer in statement. So write down the statement. So the present age of father, present age of father is what, my dear? 42 years. Come on, years. And the present age of son is what, my dear? 10 years. Why I'm telling you, my dear, such representation is loved by the evaluator. If you are leaving your answer till here, it is not making any sense, because the question is asking age and we are talking about years and years. So answer should be in the perfect term. So this makes your answer sheet impactful, impressive, so that the examiner will give you marks generously. Getting my point? This is all about. I hope this is clear to you all. Yes, Shazrif, very good. Rohan is there, very good. Very good. Hi, Hebrew, don't worry, no problem if you are letting that. But that is the why Hebrew Natanu. That's why I'm telling you, my dear. So if you are getting the result over there, so please make sure to write the result here. It is damn sure that the father will be, elder than his son. Don't make any changes biologically, okay? Yes. I hope everything is clear. Is it clear, everyone? High creative, focus on questions. Don't indulge in something, please. Don't involve in any kind of chatting and activity, guys, because you all are going to appear in your board exam on 17 and today is 13. So hardly you have only 3 days for your quick revision. I think you should focus on questions instead, right? Hi Shrishti, hi Srishti, thank you. My dear champions, see, please don't. Who is this? Wow, Ego, how was your paper? Very good. Okay, moving to the next question. Yes, who is this? Creative. Guys, focus on question. Why you are indulging in such chatting and all? You can do this chatting after your exam, come on. But this time will never return back to your life. Come on, let me tell you this very honestly, clearly. You might be thinking, sir is very rude and very irritating. Same thing repeating again and again. See, my dear, I have been like you few years ago. Once upon a time, I have been like you all, right? I also passed my 10th standard, 12th standard, graduation, PG and whatever, right now. So I know the importance of this time. This is very crucial. Don't waste your time, my dear, because this will never return back in your. If you are planning to sit in your board exam again next year, so you guys can do anything, whatever you want to do. But my dear, the time is very important. 1 year of life is very important. So please focus on your goal. Come on. Yes. Okay, moving to next question. Come on. Question number 3. Okay, superb. So many students are there in live. Welcome everyone. Okay, let's do question. Please focus here. So I brought this question, speed distance based question. I know such question have been asked by CBSE in so many years. If you go through the past year question paper, you observe that such questions have been asked by CBSE frequently in previous years. Okay, super Radhika, very good. Salute to your, heads off to your confidence. Okay, let's solve the question. So look at the question, my dear. The question is, a train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. Okay, if the train could have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. Okay, no problem. And if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the time. So let me tell you a magical thing about this question. Whatever the speed is increased or decreased. In both the cases, the distance traveled will be same. If you are catching my point, so just give me thumbs up. Yes sir, this is clear. Whatever is there, the distance between initial and the distance between final point will be equal, will be same. So please use this concept. So my dear champion, look at the question. Find the distance covered by the train. We don't know. And I have suggested you, whatever the question is asking to you, read the last line and let that value. Come on, read the last line and let that value. Assume that value first. So in this question, we don't know about the speed of the train and we don't know how much distance is covered by the train. So two things are unknown to us. But some conditions are given here. Few conditions are given here. So we'll do it later. First, what we have to do? Let the speed and distance covered. So let the what? Here uniform speed. Let the uniform speed x kilometer per hour. My dear, unit also matters a lot. Unit x kilometer per hour, right? Okay. Let the distance covered. We don't know distance, na? Distance is also unknown. So let the distance covered be y, and here everything is in kilometer. So we can write here kilometer. This is distance. So unit also plays crucial role. So we have assumed two parameters, distance covered by the train and what? Speed, right? Okay. Now read the statement carefully. As we know, very important formula. As we know, speed equals to what, my dear? Distance upon time. Right? I hope you know this formula. Distance upon time. So can we modify this formula as distance will be equal to speed into time? I hope you are getting my point. And distance is what? We have assumed this distance as y equals to speed is what? X. And what? Time, we don't know time, so we can let this as t. This is the first condition. I hope you are getting my point. The distance can be written as speed into time. Now read the first condition. Look, if the train could have been 10 km per hour faster, come on my dear, look, this is the speed. So if we increase the speed here by 10 km per hour, so can we write here x plus 10 into it would have taken 2 hours less. This is the original time. So this is taking 2 hours less. So can we write here t minus 2. So this is speed into time, and speed into time is distance. Speed into time will be again distance, and distance will be what, my dear? The distance will be same. The distance will be what? Same. Distance will be same. So distance is basically y. I hope you are getting my point. Whether you are increasing the speed or you are decreasing the speed, the product of speed into time will give you the distance, and distance will be similar in both the cases, right? So can we modify this equation? X plus 10 into t minus 2, and y can be replaced by x into t. Right? So can we open this? So x into 2 xt minus 2 into x 2x, and this 10 into t will be 10t minus 10 into 2 20 equals to xt. I hope you are getting my point. I will open the bracket by doing the multiplication. Xt will be there, x into 2 minus 2x, 10t will be there, and 10 to the 20 plus minus minus. This xt will be cancelled. So what we are getting here? Wow, we are getting here, this is minus 2x plus 10t will be equal to 20. Minus 20 has shift there. So can we take 2s common? So minus x plus 5t will be equal to, I think this is 10. This is equation number 1. Is it clear? Minus x plus 5t equals to 10. Now come to the second statement. Now, and if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, come on. So again use this formula. So speed into time. So now, if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, so what is the original speed of the train? This is the original speed, uniform speed. Now, if the speed is slower by 10 km per hour, means x minus 10. Slower means the speed is decreased. It would have taken 3 hours more. 3 hours more, so t plus 3. 3 hours more from the original time, right? So t plus 3. Again, this is speed and this is time, and which will be equal to distance. I have already told you the distance traveled by the train will be equal. Whether the speed is increasing, decreasing, whatever, the distance that has to be covered by the train is equal. So this is y. Now again y can be replaced by xt. So x minus 10 into t plus 3, right? And y can be replaced by xt. Right? Okay, can we multiply here? So xt plus 3x minus 10t minus 30 equals to xt. xt will be cancelled here. So we are getting here 3x minus 10t equals to minus 30 will go there. This is the second equation. Can we solve? Yes, we can solve. Yes, we can solve, my dear. From equation 1, from equation number 1, this is minus x. So if we send minus x there, or 10 will come here, so I think x can be written as, from equation 1, x can be written as 5t minus 10. I hope you are getting my point. I have shifted this minus x that side, and I bring this 10 this side, so 5t minus 10. So we are getting this. Now put this value here. So by putting the value, or you can directly find out the value of t by doing elimination method. So instead of making complex, I think we can apply elimination method because we want to find out here what speed. So we can apply elimination method. So can we eliminate this? This is minus 3x and this is 3x, and one is in negative form, other is in positive form. So can we multiply this equation by 3? So multiply equation 1 by 3. Why? To make the coefficient equal. This is 1 here and this is 3x, and equation 2 by 1. Equation 2 by 1. Why by 1? Because, my dear, the coefficient of x will remain same, right? This is minus 3, this is x, so by multiplying 3, minus 3x will be there. So minus 3x plus 3 5 is 15t, and 3 into 10 will be 30. Now after multiplying this equation from 1, 3x will be there, plus this is minus t. Okay, my dear, this is minus, okay, minus, this is minus 10t equals to, this is 30. Can we add both the equations? So by adding both the equations, both the equation, 3x cancel here, and 15t minus 10t will be 5t, right? 15 minus 10 will be 5t, and this is here, we are adding this, so this will be 30 plus 30, 60. So t is equal to 60 by 5 equals to, wow, 12 hour. But no, we have to find out distance. So speed equals to distance by time. Speed equals to distance by time. So can we find out speed? So now find out x here. This is x. This is the distance, my dear. So if you get the value of t, so can we find out the x value? So x will be equal to, now put t here. So x will be equal to 5t minus 10. Minus x will go there, 10 will come. So 5t minus 10. So x will be equal to 5 into 12 minus 10. So x equals to 12, 5 is 60. 60 minus 10. So x equals to 50. And x is what? 50 km per hour. So my dear champion, you have speed, you have time, but the question is asking find the distance. So once you get the value of speed and time, so can't you find distance? Yes, my dear, you can find out the distance. So distance, this is the distance. So distance is equal to, x is what, my dear? 50 and T is what? 12 hour. So 12 5 years. This is 6600 kilometer. This is the answer, my dear. So always make sure to write the final answer in language. So the distance covered by the train is 600 km per hour. I hope you are getting my point. Is this clear? So I have given you very short method, very easy method. Yeah. See, these are the word problem questions. So this will give you 5 marks to 3 marks. So never expect the solution will be very smaller and all. Solution will be lengthier over there because that is going to give you 5 mark. This question might appear in 3, 4 and 5 mark category. So never expect the solution will be very smaller. No, the solution will be, lengthier, but your approach should be crystal clear. Yes, I hope everything is clear. Yes, Rohan, distance, yeah. Aspi, hi Aspi. Okay. I think you are making some mistake here. Yeah, clear, sir. Very good. See, my dear, I know you must have solved this question, okay, before, or you must have saw this question anywhere in simple paper, but the method that I'm giving you, how you guys can solve this question in board exam, it matters. Why you are coming here in my live session? To get something unique content that can help you genuinely in your board exam. So this is the way how you guys can solve the questions. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Hi Kasa, hi everyone. Next question. Yes, Aspi, I'm moving to the next question, don't worry. Hi everyone. Any problem, any confusion? If you are having any problem, any confusion, just let me know. Just let me know. I can repeat it again and again for you all. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. So are you enjoying there? Are you all there? So if you all are there, just show me your interaction, show me your involvement, send me some heart. I know my voice is not supporting me today because of cold and I was not feeling well. I was sick, my dear, for last 3 days. So yes, Captain, clear. Thank you. So at least you guys can send me your heart and your thumbs up. That can work as my medicine. Okay, because your involvement incredibly encourages me to do something wonderful for you all, my dear. Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. So my dear champion, please take care of yourself because weather is suddenly changing and your exam just is on the edge. So take care of yourself, everyone. Yes, give me thumbs up, my dear. Show me your involvement. Himanshi, thank you so much. Single is asking, sir, live, why you see, my dear, comparatively to that previous live, this is also very important because I'm giving you 5 marker question, 4 marker question, how you guys can solve. And the beauty, let me tell you the beauty of 4 marker and 5 marker question. My dear, if you started the solution of the question, but unfortunately you might stuck in between the solution, but don't worry, you can get 2 to 3 marks. Still, if you followed the previous step right, if you have written the formula, if you have created the equation. So this is the beauty of 4 mark and 5 marker question exam. Okay, so please follow the steps. Okay, make sure to write the unit. Whenever you are letting the value, make sure to write the unit. Mathematics is not only about your common sense and your brilliancy. No, mathematics is all about your presentation also. Your presentation also leaves positive impact, good impression on examiner's mind, my dear. So only brilliancy never works in mathematics. Let me tell you one thing. Okay. Okay, moving to, thank you so much. Yeah, Sonu. Yes, ask me next question for you. Question number 4. Okay, so this question is from NCERT and as well as CBSE 2024. Such questions also trouble student. I don't know why, but this is very easy. Yeah, Sahil, don't worry, my dear. Don't worry, champion. Live will be there. Okay. And yes, doubt, Neeraj, if you have any doubt, just write down in chat section. Don't worry, I'll look out your doubt. Don't worry. Okay, hi everyone. Neeraj, I got your message. If you are having any kind of doubt, please leave your doubt in chat section. I'm looking at each and every comments here, because you all are in crucial stage. So this is my responsibility as a maths teacher to look out at your problem, your query and everything, my dear, because you are having only 3 days for your final or wrap up and closing revision, I can say. Okay, so let's do. So look at the question. Look at the question, my dear. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupee note only. Okay, so Meena went to a bank. She asked cashier, just give me 2000 rupees. She filled a form and all, but she kept a condition there that I want only 50 rupees notes and 100 rupee note. Don't worry. Meena got 25 notes. Okay, so cashier might have given both notes and the total notes was 25. Okay, how many notes, rupees 50 and 100, she received? This is the important point. Come on. This, how the teacher solves the question. Let me tell you the concept. I don't care about these information. I'll be focusing on the last line. Come on, the last line. I will be focusing on the last line. Look at the last line. Come on, what is the last line? How many rupees 50 notes are there and how many 100 notes? I don't know. So come on now, let X 50 notes are there and let 100 notes she received is Y. I'm writing in this way. Don't follow this in your exam. Please write the statement. Okay, let number of rupees 50 notes, whatever she received, be X, right? And let the number of rupees 100 currency notes be Y. And we have to find this value. So always let the value. This is my short trick to you. I want to give you everyone. Always read the last line. Always read the last line and assume those values. And once you assume the values, go through the questions calmly. Okay, so number of 50 notes is X and number of 100 notes be Y. Come on, now read the equation. Went to a bank, withdraw 2000 rupees. How much money she received? 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give 50 rupees. 50 rupees. And how many 50 rupees notes are there? X. So, can we write here? 50 into X. Yes, 50 rupees. And how many 50 rupees notes are there? X. So, 50 into X will be amount that she might getting due to 50 notes. So 50 rupees notes, 50x will be there, and 100 notes of Y. So 100Y, how many notes? 100Y, and that overall amount is equal to 2000. So this is the first equation we have created. Can we take 50 common here? So on taking 50 common, my dear, so we can write here X plus 2Y and this equal to 2000. So X plus 2Y, 50 will go there, 50 will go there, so 2000 divided by 50, 0, 0, 4, and this is 40 will be there. So we have first equation, X plus 2Y equals to 40. This is the first equation, right? Now read the second statement. Meena got 25 notes overall, means combining 50 rupees note and 100 rupees note. How many total notes she received? 25 notes. So this is basically X plus Y. This is X plus Y equals to what, my dear? 25. And this is your second equation. You can, if you want to follow the steps here, so you can write now X plus Y equals to 25. This is your second equation. Which method you will apply here to solve X and Y? Elimination method. Why? Because the coefficients are already same. If the coefficients are already same of X value, don't think about substitution, just apply the elimination method. So if we apply elimination method, can we subtract the values? X cancel, and 2y minus y will be minus y. 2y minus y will be positive y. Okay, 2y minus y will be positive y. And here 40 minus 25. 40 minus 25. I think 40 minus 25 will be 15. I don't know what you are getting, but my answer is 15. 40 minus 25 will be 15. So y is 15. And once you get the value of y, so x will be what? X plus y is 25. X plus y is 25. So x will be equal to 25 minus y. So this is 25 and y is 15. So x will be equal to 10. I know most of the student is going to leave the answer till here. But if I tell you the professionalism of maths, you got x value and you got y. But what you have assumed, what is x? X is number of 50 notes. And what is y? Y is number of 100 rupees note. So please write this statement at the end of the solution. Please write this statement at the end of the solution. Right? So number of rupees 50 notes. What? How many? X is there. So 10 notes. 10. Number of rupees 100 notes. Rupees 100 notes will be what? Y, which is 15. Please make sure to write the final answer, and please you can also box that answer. So that will give you the clear visibility to the answer to the examiner's eye, my dear. I hope this is clear, everyone. Yes, everyone. Yes, everyone. Wow, how beauty of you guys. So many students have solved this question. Yes, superb, superb. Hats off to you. Sachin Kumar. Hi, Devil. Yes, very good, Shazrif. Everyone clear? Is there any doubt, my dear? So in word problem question, what is the magical thing? Always read the last line, my dear. Always read out the last line. And after reading that, whatever the question is demanding to find out, please let that value. And once you let the value, you will be able to write the equation. And once you write the equation successfully, the rest work is mathematical calculation. Okay. Okay. Moving to next. Very good, Rohan. Superb. Okay. Now try to do this question. Look at the question. Guys, focus on your question. Come on, yeah. 17 February your exam, and how you are preparing for your exam. I can see in chat section what you guys are doing here. So yes, Kayasa, Kavya, these are the PYQs also, my dear, and these are very important questions for your this year board exam. This year board exam. Yeah, you can proceed. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, now moving to question number 5. My dear champs, please focus here. Okay. Look at the question. Look, I don't want to read this question completely first. I will go to the last line. Who is this? Okay, I will go to the last line. Just for my suggestion, just for a little while, don't read this question completely. Don't read this question completely. Read the last line. What is the last line? So in this question, we have to find out some unknown thing here. And what are the unknown things? Find the fixed charges. I don't know. And find the fixed charges and charge for each extra day. I don't know. So in this question, 2 unknowns we have to find. I haven't read this question yet. I have just gone to the last line. And read the last line. Here in this last line, my dear champion, 2 things we have to find out. 2 things we have to find out. Find the fixed charges and charge for each extra day. I don't know. So can we write here, find the fixed charge. So always let the value which is unknown. Let the fixed charge be X rupees. Charge means, of course, cost. So unit will be rupees, and let the charge for extra charge additional, we can say additional, or extra day, additional charge for additional be Y rupees, additional day for Y rupees. You can see here, no, this is additional charge. Now read the question. Now you can read the question. So a shopkeeper gives book on rent for reading she takes a fixed charge for the first 2 days. Come on, very important. So look at the statement. She takes a fixed charge for the first 2 days. Come on, for the first 2 days. So this fixed charge is for first 2 days. Come on, this is very important. First 2 days. Now look at the statement. Latika and additional charge for each thereafter. Okay, Latika paid rupees 22 for a book kept for 6 days. Come on, Latika is a student who took a book from shopkeeper and she paid 22 rupees after 6 days. So come on, my dear, can you see, if Latika kept the book for 6 days, so 2 days is already fixed. For 2 days she is taking X rupees. So only 4 days she has to pay additional charge. Only 4 days she has to pay additional charge. So equation will be what, my dear? So 6 days is there. So can we find X, which is for 2 days, and 4 days are left, and for each additional day Y rupees she is imposing, right? So 4Y, and how much she paid? 22 rupees. I hope this is clear to everyone. This X is for 2 days. Yes, my dear, for 2 days, because she is charging for first 2 days fixed charge, and fixed charge we have assumed here. So 2 days plus this 4 into Y, additional charge is Y, 4 days, 4 plus 2Y will be 6 days. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, so this is the first equation. Now moving to second equation. While Anand paid rupees 16 for the book kept for 4 days. Okay, now you can write here for in case of Latika, please mention in case of Latika. It also should be visible to examiner. In case of Latika, this equation will be there, and in case of Anand, what is the case of Anand, my dear? In case of Anand, how much money he paid? He paid 16 for the book kept for 4 days. So 2 days is fixed, X rupees. So can we write here X plus, this is 2 days, for 2 days, so only 2 days are left because he is taking the book for 4 days. So X plus 2Y, how much money he paid? 16. So this is the equation number 2. Can we subtract? Subtracting equation 2 from 1. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. So X plus 4Y equals to 22. X plus 2Y equals to 16. Subtracting, X will cancel. 4Y minus Y will be 2Y. And this 22 minus 16 will be 6. So Y is equal to 3. Y equals to, and once you get the value of Y, you can find out X here. So X will be what? We can use any equation, either equation 1 or 2. So I'm using equation number 1. So X will be equal to 22 minus 4Y. So X will be equal to 22 minus 4 into 3. 4 into 3. So X will be equal to what, my dear? 22 minus 4, 3 ja 12. So X is equal to 0, 1. This. Now I have already instructed you, once you get the value of X and Y, and XY is what? We have assumed X is what? Fixed charge, and Y is what? Additional charge. So please make sure to write this answer in language form at the end. So fixed charge for 2 days is what, my dear? X, and X is what? 10 rupees. So this is 10 rupees, right? Additional charge. Additional charge for each coming day. Additional charge is what? Y. We have assumed Y, and we got Y is 3. So this is 3 rupees. I hope this is clear to you. I hope this is clear to you. Yes, everyone. Okay. I can understand. There is a student who is giving me answer very quickly. My dear, don't make fool yourself. If you are solving the question honestly by your own effort, very good. But I can feel, my dear, if you are using any social website or any platform by which you are getting the answer quickly. So you are digging yourself inside the earth. It's your loss, nothing mine, my dear. So instead, please practice by using your pen and notebook instead of copying the answer from anywhere. Come on, don't do this, because you are making fool yourself, and big loss. Don't do this. Clear, sir? Very good. Okay, I hope everything is clear. Just give me response, my dear. Everything is clear. Just let me know, my dear, everything is clear. So first read the last statement and assume the values, whatever we have to find out the question. And once you assume the values, you can create the equation. Yes, let me know, my dear, you all are there. Very important session. Is it clear? Hi Ayush, hello. Hi, Solo, clear, Captain. Thank you, Captain. Thank you, my commander, my lieutenant. Rohan, thank you so much. I'm waiting for others' response. So many students are there. Is it clear? Neeraj, see, I'm not saying to anyone personally. If someone is doing, don't do this. If you are doing by your, that's hats off to you. Very good. Well done, my dear. And don't take it personally. I'm telling you for everyone, because you guys are on the age. You don't have so much of time. So instead of making yourself fool, I think show your potential. Bring your inner potential out, because this time will never return back in your life. That is my point, my dear. Very good, Neeraj. Superb, Neeraj. Crystal clear. Thank you, Himanshi. Thank you, Srishti. Yes. And who is this Rohan 6744? What you are doing here? What rubbish you are doing here, guys? Are you a board student? Are your exam is on 17th February? No. And if you came here to enjoy just chat section, don't do this. Come on, my dear. And you can do this kind of, I think, what you are writing there. You can do this after exam over. Come on. Don't this write in this crucial stage of your life. Ayush, if you want this, I can inform to my technical person. Yes, Solo. Keep this line with you always in your entire life. Not only in 10th board exam. Keep this line with your entire life. Avri, very good, Avri. All the best. Okay. Yeah, Sakki, hi. Rohan. Okay. Yes, sir, please. Moving to next question, question number 6. Again, this question. See. Okay. Who is this Vansh Sarma? Vansh is there. Oh, come on, Vansh, don't be over smart here. Come on, don't do this. Everyone know the power of ChatGPT and all. But in your life, don't execute these principles in your life, because you are the student and you all are going to stay student for coming 6 years. Come on. So don't make yourself fool, and don't make your parents fool as well. Come on, my dear, what you guys are doing here? Everyone know, okay? So don't tell anyone here in chat section. Stop this nonsense. Okay, so my dear students, my dear champions, you must have solved this question 2 or 3 times, I know. But still, student face problem in this question, tap water question. So I am going to make this question magical and very comfortable for you. And CBSE has asked this question by changing the value again and again. So I know the importance of this question. That's why I brought up this question for you in front of you, everyone. Okay, Sahil. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? So CBSE has asked this question so many times by changing the data, by changing the mathematical value, but the theme of the question is exactly same. So that's why I have brought up this question for you. Himanshi, see, you guys See, I don't think the technical person is going to keep this video live session for long, because I have already, my so many live session, I have already told you, my dear champion. Listen, let me show you this, my dear. So on 14th February, this is 13th today, we are discussing word problem question. On 14th February, I'll be giving you complete revision of chapter 1 and 6. And on 15th February, chapter 7 to 14, complete revision. And 16th February will be mega revision, Maha Marathon, right? So I've already engaged. So I don't think the technical person will allow to keep this, a video on live streaming, I think. Don't worry, I think you guys should solve the question along with me here on natural live. That will be, because in this live you can ask me doubt, na? If you're not getting any point, you can ask me doubts frequently. Okay? So better to solve questions along with me, practice along with me. Okay. Should we solve this question? Okay. So let me give you a short solution of this question. Okay. So the question is, 2 water taps together can fill a tank in 9 hole 3 by 8 hours. Okay. 2 water taps are there. The larger tap, that larger means the diameter of tap is larger. The larger tap is taking 10 hours less than the smaller tap. Want to fill the tank separately. Formulate the quadratic equation to find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. This question looks very, confusing, but let me tell you, very easy question. Okay. Who is this? Yes, Kavya, I have already replied to your query. Yes, you can solve PYQ, only PYQ. Guys, please focus only on PYQ in these 3 days. Don't move here and there, different resources, different YouTube channel and videos. Don't look out to different books. You will be confused. Your motivation power will be down. So my dear, instead of focusing, please focus on only PYQs only. Okay. So let's do. Okay. So look. What is the question? Find the time in which each tape can separately fill the tank. I don't know. So we have to find this. Find the time in which each tape can fill the tank separately. So how we can solve this question? Let's see. Okay. So let the smaller tape, see, the larger tape is taking 10 hours less. So we have to let the time taken by smaller tape x value, so that we can write time taken by larger tape x minus 10. So let the time taken by smaller tape to fill the tank separately, okay, to fill the tank separately is what? X hours. So let's assume the smaller tape is taking x hours to fill the tank separately. If only a smaller tape runs, if only a smaller tape is opened, so it is taking x hours to fill the tank separately alone. Now, so can we write here the volume of water filled in 1 hour. In 1 hour will be what? If it is filling this whole tank in x hour, so how much volume of water that has been filled by the tape in 1 hour? So that will, this x will go there. So 1 by x we can write. If the smaller tape is taking complete x hours, so the volume, how much water it has filled in 1 hour, that will be 1 by x. Now the time taken by larger tape separately. What is the time, idea? The larger tape is taking 10 hours less than the smaller tape. to fill the tank separately. And how much time smaller tape is taking? X hour. So the larger tape will be X minus 10 hours. So if we open the larger tape, so it can fill the tank separately in this time, in this duration, X minus 10. So the volume of water, yeah, the amount of, we can also write amount of water. So the volume of water filled in 1 hour will be what? Yes, unitary method. Can we apply? This is the complete duration, complete time taken by the larger tape. So in 1 hour, how much water it has filled? So that will be 1 by X minus 10. 1 by X minus 10. So in 1 hour this is taking this time, and in 1 hour this is taking this time. Now when they both works together, they can fill the tank in this hour. So the time taken to fill the tank, what, my dear? Together. In how many hours they are filling the tank? If they are opening all together, that is 9 whole 3 by 8. So 9 8 is 72. 72 plus 3 will be 75. So this is 75 by 8. This is 75 by 8 hours. Wow. So if both the tapes can together fill the tank in this hour, so the volume of water filled by both the tanks in 1 hour will be what? Come on. The volume of water filled in 1 hour. So we are focusing on 1 hour. Here 1 hour for the smaller tank, here 1 hour for the bigger tank, and again we are finding out for the 1 hour when they both are working together, when they both are filling the tank together. So this will change. Yes, this is 75 by 8. So this will go in reciprocal. See, this X is 1 by X, X minus 10 is 1 by, so this will also go reciprocal. So 8 by 75. This is the third equation. Come on, my dear. So this is 1 hour for a smaller tap, this is 1 hour for a bigger tap, and this is 1 hour for all together. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. So the sum of first and the second, so 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 10 will be equal to 8 by 75. Yes. The volume of water filled by the smaller tap in 1 hour plus volume of water filled by the larger tap in 1 hour will be equal to the total volume of water filled by when they both are working together in 1 hour. That will be 8 by 15. Now can we solve this? Can we take LCM? So X into X minus 10 will be there. X minus 10 will go there, and minus X. Oh, sorry, this is plus X. Right, X minus 10 will go there, X will go there, plus X. And this is equal to 8 by 75. Can we solve? X plus X will be 2X. Minus 10 divided by this. Can we take multiplication X square minus 10X is equal to 8 by 75. Right, can we take 2 common here? Let's make some part here. Okay, can we take 2 common here, my dear? So on taking 2 common, X minus 5 you can write here. This is X square minus 10X, and this is 8 by 75. This 2 will cancel here by 4 times. Now we can multiply, cross multiply. So 4 into X square will be 4X square, minus 10 into 4 will be 40X. I hope this is clear. 4 into X square, 4X square, 4 into 10X, 40X. Very good. 75 into X will be 75X minus 75 into 5 will be what? 5 5 ja 25. Carry 2. 5 5 ja, 5 7 ja 35. 35 and 2, 37. So this is basically equal to 375. Right? Okay. So can we bring these values here this side? So 4X square minus 40X. This 75 will go there, so this will also become minus 75. Minus 75x and plus 375 equal to 0. So 4x square minus this is 5, 11, 1, 15x plus 375 equals to 0. So we have this quadratic equation, very simple quadratic equation. Now to find out the value of x, you have two methods. You can apply quadratic formula, and you can also apply, my dear champion, middle term splitting method. How we can apply? Listen, let me tell you. First multiply 375 from 4. So on multiplying 375 by 4, 375, 520, 15. 1500 we are getting. 1500. And you all know, if I multiply 100 into 15, so we are again getting 1500, and 100 plus 15 will give you the middle value. So we can split the middle term by taking 100 and 15. So I'm using this space. Can I use this space? I think this is visible to you all. So I'm using this space, my dear. So by using middle term splitting method, look, this is 4x square minus this 115x can be written as 100x minus 15x plus 375 equals to 0. Is it clear? Now can we take 4x common here? So 4x common, so x minus 25 will be there. Right, now here can we take minus 15 common? So x and minus 25 will be there. So x minus 25, and this is 4x minus 15 equals to 0. So if the product of two brackets are equal to 0, so either it has to be 0, it has to be 0. Anyone can be 0. So if we take this as 0, so we are getting x as 25. And if we are taking this as x equals to 0, so we are getting 15 by 4. And which is in decimal form, we will ignore this value. Okay, now because 15 by 4 is what? 15 by 4 will give you 4 3 are 12, 3 point something. But look, the bigger tape is taking x minus 10 hour. So if we take this value x, 3 point something, so this is coming negative. This is coming negative at this value. But if we put x equals to 25, 25 minus 10 will give you 15. So that will give you positive value. So because of this, we will ignore this value. So we will consider only x equals to 25. And x equals to 25 means what? X is what? X is the time taken by the smaller tape to fill the tank separately. This is x. So now please write down the final answer separately. So time taken, the time taken by smaller tape separately. How many hours, my dear? This is x, so 25 hours. In 25 hours, the smaller tape can fill the tank separately. And if we talk about the larger tape, the time taken by larger tape separately. So you know, larger tape is taking 10 hour less than the smaller. So 25 minus 10, so that will be 15 hours. So larger tape can fill the tank in 15 hours separately, and the smaller tape can fill the tank in 25 hours separately. I hope this is clear to everyone. Please let me know. Everything is clear, just let me know, my dear. Ayush, I always get confused. Okay. Sazreef, very good, Sazreef. Hi everyone, very good. Hi sir, hi Vikram, Shiv, hi. So my dear champion, please mark my words. These questions will help you out in your board exam on 17 February. I'm assuring you, everyone. Very important question. I hope everything is clear. Just write down in chat section, yes sir, everything is clear. Just write down in chat section, yes sir, everything is clear. There is no confusion now. I'm waiting for your response. Anand, hi Anand. Just give me response. I'm waiting for your response, my dear champs. If your doubt is clear, everything is clear here, show me your pigeons, give me thumbs up. Hi RJ, Avri, very good. Neeraj, crystal clear, very good Neeraj, very good Avri. So every and few students are there who constantly comes in my class, and congratulations to everyone who constantly comes in my live session, my dear. You guys are going to do rock in your board exam. I am not saying the student who do not come in my live session frequently, they can't score good marks in their board exam. My blessings are with you all. But see, why I am saying this to you, because I have already solved the quality questions that will help you in your exam, my dear. So on the basis of that, if you have solved honestly, if you have practiced the questions honestly, my dear, all these questions, that is enough for your board exam. And no need to worry about your competency based question. The question will be from your day-to-day life, where your thinking ability will be checked, your critical thinking, how is your critical thinking and all. So it doesn't mean the question will be beyond syllabus. No. The question will be from your syllabus. Yeah, the question will be a bit challenging, a bit, logical, where your critical thinking will be required. Neeraj is writing, sir. Oh, Neeraj, I think this is not possible. So why you are thinking like you guys will go to these questions after the completion of the live session? Come on, solve here, na, along with me. Hi, Daksh. Hi, how are you? I hope this is clear to you guys. Hi, Jat. How are you, sir? Yeah, I'm good, Jat. Yeah, a bit. I was not fully, recovered. I was sick, my dear. So yeah, but I'm okay. After meeting you guys, I'm okay. Your exam is, must more important than my health and all. Okay. So let's begin. Okay. So let's do the next question, my dear. I hope this question is clear. Sahil, hi Sahil. Yes, you want to say anything? Oh, you want to? Okay. Okay, now moving to the next question. Please take a screenshot if you want to take a screenshot. Okay, moving to next question, question number 7. And yes, my dear student, the student who is not aware about one very important thing, that I have linked the formula sheet in the description link, my dear. If you want maths formula sheet of entire syllabus from real number to probability, so I have given you the link below in description, my dear. Go hit the link, and by hitting the link you can directly, easily, comfortably download the PDF there. So go, and I think second link will be there. Hit the link. Very important formula sheet is there. I really worked hard to create that formula sheet for you all. So just a small gift from my side for you all. Okay, so let's do this question. Okay, so the question is, a sum of rupees 280 is to be used to award 4 prizes. How much money I have? I have 280 rupees, and I have to distribute 280 rupees in 4 prizes. But if each prize after the first is 20 rupees less, means if I have given first prize to the first rank holder as 180 rupees, so what will be the next? 160, then 140, then 120. This is the scenario. Means each succeeding value is 20 less from the preceding value. Find the value of each of the prizes. I hope this is clear to you all. Hi Sakshi, sorry, yeah. Okay, so how we can solve this question? Listen, the sum is given to you. So basically, SN is given to you. SN is 280. And if each prize after the first prize is 20 less than the preceding value, means common difference is given to you. This will be the common difference, my dear. 20 rupees is the common difference, right? Find the value. And how many prize we are giving here? How many prize? 4 prize. So N is given to you. 4 prize. And find the value of each of the prize. So let's assume the first prize is A. Let's assume the first prize is A. So what will be the next prize? What will be the third prize? What will be the fourth prize? Come on. And to find out the value of these prizes, we have to find out the value of A and D. D is already given, but we don't know A. So A, we can get the value of A by using the formula of SNth, sum of n terms of an AP. So Sn, we all know, is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into t. Sn is given to you 280, so write down here 280. N is 4, 4 by 2. How many prizes are there? 4 prizes are there. So 2A, we don't know A. N is what? Again 4 minus 1, this will be 3, and D is given to you 20. I hope you are getting my point. Now this will cancel here, and 2 is in multiplication form, 2 will come here. So 180 by 2 will be 140. This will cancel, huh? I hope you are getting my point. 140 will be there. So 140 is equal to 2A plus 23 is 60. 60 will come here. So 140 minus 60 will be 2A. So 140 minus 60 will be 80 is 2A. So my dear champion, A will be 40. Yes, my dear, A will be 40. If you have A, you have D, so you can find a first, second, third prize. So first prize will be A, and which is equal to 40 rupees. But the question is, you know, if each prize after the first prize is 20 less than the preceding prize, 20 less than the preceding prize, my dear, 20 less than, come on, less than. So we cannot put their plus sign. We cannot put their plus sign. Yes, my dear, we cannot put their plus sign. I was thinking, I was waiting who can respond me here, ki sir, 20 rupees is, you know, decreasing. So how we can put here plus D? No, my dear, minus D will be there. So the second prize will be, what will be the second prize? Come on, my dear, no one responded here. The second prize, what happened? Second prize. So second prize will be what, my dear? If the first prize is 40, so second prize will be what? I think this will be 20 rupees. What will be the third prize? If each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize. So listen, one more thing. We have taken here 280. This is n by 2, this is 4 by 2. 2A plus n minus 1, 4 minus 1 into t. Now, one very important thing. 2 has cancelled this 2 and 2 has cancelled this 140. So we are getting here 2A equals to 140 minus 60, which is equal to what? A equals to 40. And if we get A equals to 40, so what will be the, I want answer of this question from you, because there is a logic. There is a very sharp logic. I want to see answer from you guys. Who can give me the answer of this question? This is logical one. Yes. Yes. Who is this Kaya? Yes, I was waiting for the response from you, from your side. Either addition will be there or subtraction will be there. This was my concern. Let's see. What will be the, who is this map? See, my dear, why you guys are sharing your ID and all, my dear? Why you guys are sharing ID and all, my dear? Come on, don't do this. Please focus on question. This is my humble request. Yes, yes, subtraction will be there. Yes, subtraction will be there, but the question is D will be what? D will be positive or negative? D will be positive or negative? This is the question. And we have taken D is in positive form. So if D is positive, so answer will be right or wrong. This is the question. The answer will be right or wrong. If we are getting here D is positive. No one answered me correctly here. This is very... Good evening, sir. Hi, good evening. Vaishnavi. Yes. Sahil is there. Yes, come on. Yes, Avri, perfect. So here, if we are taking D positive, so is it correct? If we are taking here D is positive, so is it correct? No, because 20 less than means the AP is like this, 4 like 40 is there. So what will be the next term? 20. What will be the next term? So D will be what? Come on. D will be 20 minus 40. So D will be minus 20. I hope you are getting my point. So we cannot put this positive value. So D will also go in negative. So if D will go in negative form, so what will be the result? Come on. What will be the result? See, I just solved this to give you clarity how in hurry we always make mistakes, my dear. If you are solving the mathematics in hurry, if you are in such hurry, my dear, you might make some mistake. So the language of question matters a lot. The 20 list, so we can put here, this will be the minus 20. Now solve the question. So solve the question. So put the value, Sn is 280. How many prices? 4. 4 by 2. 2a plus, and this is n minus 1. N minus 1 means 4 minus 1, 3. 3 into minus 20. Now solve it. So 2 2 ja cancel, 2 will cancel this, 140. So 140 is there, 2a, and this is minus. Minus 20 into 60 will be 60, right? What happened? So this is 20 into 60, 20 into 30 will be minus 60, right? So can we put here minus 60? This is minus 60. Now this minus 60 will go there. So this is 60 plus this 140 plus 60 will be 200 equals to 2a. So a will be 100. Yes, my dear, a will not be 40, a will be 100. A will be 100. Is it clear, everyone? A will be 100. And if you got A will be 100, so what will be second, third, fourth, fifth prize? No, fifth are not there. Now second prize, second prize will be 100 minus 20, 100 minus 20, 80 rupees. Third prize, 60 rupees. Fourth prize, my dear, fourth prize, I think 20 rupees. You can also verify by looking at the answer. Who answered it correctly? Who answered it correctly? Who answered it correctly? I want to see the name. Who answered it correctly? No one. Oh my God. No one is here. No one is here. I was expecting answer from you all. You guys can verify also by adding these number. The result will be 280. 100 plus 80, 180. 180 plus 6 will be 240. 260, 180, 186, 140. And this is, come on, this is 40. This is 40. 60 minus 20 will be 40. So this is the answer. Moving to next question. Is it clear, everyone? So the student who has just joined this session just 2 minutes or 1 minute ago, my dear, let me tell you one thing, my dear. If you are looking for formula sheet, go in description. The link is given there, and by hitting the link, my dear champion, you can get the formula sheet. I have created quality and very clear formula sheet. So the link is given in the description. Go and hit the link. You can get the PDF of formula sheet, and 5 quality sample papers are also there. So before sitting in examination hall on 17th February, go and practice the sample papers. Okay. Next question. So sample formula sheet is given in link description. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Any doubt? Is it clear? Now do this question. Okay. Now try this question. Very easy question. Who is this? I hope this is clear to you all. Yes, sir. Very good. Very good. Superb, superb. Very good. So the student who is new here, if you want a formula sheet, quality formula sheet, the link is given in description. Go and you guys can download the formula sheet from there. Okay. Saki, yeah, okay. Now try this question. My dear champion, please focus on question. Don't ask me anything, sir. Please say this, say this. Okay, so focus on question, please. Don't insist me to say anything, my dear. Better to ask any question or doubts from me. Okay, very good. Sakhi Singh, yes sir, I have done. Very good. Okay, so let's do. Okay, so basically question is, it looks very scary, very lengthy question, but let me tell you the solution is very easy. Okay, Sahil, okay, Ramkali would need 1800 for admission fee and book, etc. for her daughter. Okay, Ramkali, she's the mother of a kid and she needs rupees 1800 for the admission and for the books for her daughter. Okay, if she get 1800 rupees, the daughter will be enrolled in a school and she'll be able to get education in school. This is the situation. Okay, same question you are asking Neeraj. I have already did that question. Go and look at the solution of that question. Exactly same, my dear. Okay, so okay, for her to start going to school from next year, she saved rupees 50. Okay, she's saving money for her daughter's education. So she saved rupees 50 in the first month. Okay, in the first month 50 rupees of this year and increased her monthly saving by rupees 20. So in each coming month she's adding the 20 rupees. So that will be 70 and again will be 90 and so on. After a year means 12 months. How many values will be there? The number of terms will be 12. N will be 12 because she is saving the money. Look, after a year means 12 months. So N is 12. How much money will she save? Will she be able to fulfill her dream of sending her daughter to school or not? Oh wow, very good question. It looks, it's so heart touching, like emotional question. Wow. Okay, yeah, some people are there, they're still struggling for education, for good school and all. You guys are so lucky. Your parents are fulfilling your every needs and everything. But you are not aware how dedicatedly they are working at their workplace, how they are listening to their boss and all. You don't know the ups and downs your parents are facing every day in their day-to-day life. You don't know. You guys are doing here the rubbish thing in chat. You are chatting, you are asking for Snap ID, Insta ID and all. But you don't know the dedication of your parents. Come on, that's why I used to say you one thing frequently, my dear. Study yourself and study for your parents as well. To make them smile, to bring smile on their faces, my dear. And look, at the moment when your result declare, and with your result, the piece of paper, when you will go to your mother and hug her, mom, look at my result. This is my 95%. You did it really hard work for me. You woke up early morning every day, send me school with lunch and delicious food and all. You struggled a lot and look at the result. So my dear, study to live this moment with your mother, with your father. I know some student might taking this, sir, I know these kind of things and all, lecture and all. But come on, this time will never return back, my dear. So I think you should study hard, by the way. You should, my dear. I know, many times you guys listen from your teachers and all. But the moment when your parents, when your father and mother will look at your result, look at them, just feel that moment once. Getting my point? So very important you have to be very serious. Okay. Neeraj, please can you explain a very easy question, by the way. I have already solved. You can solve exact this question by looking at my solution previous question. This question, Neeraj. Don't spam, Neeraj. Come on, yaar. Please stop this. This question is exactly same that you are asking. Look at the solution. Exactly same. What? There is no mean to solve this question again, Neeraj. You are a student of 10th grade, right? Very good. Okay, so Ramkali, okay, she's saving money for her daughters to fulfill the dream of her daughter to send her school. Wow. Okay, will she be able, so let's find out how much money will she save in entire 1 year. Okay, so we have to find her SN by using this formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Ramkali is saving just, she's adding 20 rupees every day. 50, she saved rupees 50 in the first month and increased her monthly saving by rupees 20. She's saving 20 rupees per day for her daughter's dream. Wow. So SN is what? I don't know SN. We have to find out SN. N is what? How many month? 12 months. So N will be 12. 12 by 2. 2A. A will be what, my dear? In first month, how much money she saved? 50 rupees. So 20 into 50. Plus N minus 1. Again, 12 minus 1 will be 11. And D will be what? She is saving 20 rupees in each coming month. So this is the common difference. Now, 2 will cancel this by 6. 6 into 50 into 2 will be 100. Plus this will be 11 into 22. This will be 11 to the 22, 220 will be there. And this will be 6 into 220 plus 100. I think this will be 320, right? 320 into 6. Can we multiply? 320 into 6. So that will be, I think, 1900 something. Yes, please verify. So 320 into 6 will give you 0. Yes, my dear. Wow. 1920. Yes. Congratulations to Ramkali. Now she can fulfill her dream to send her daughter to the school. Because how much money she required? According to the terms of school, she required only 1800. But how much money she is getting? She had saved, come on, 1920 rupees. 1920 rupees. So don't leave your answer here. No, this is not exactly the answer. The answer is this. The question is asking this, my dear. Will she be able to fulfill her dream? Yes, my dear. Ramkali will be able to fulfill the dream. So what we can write here? As here 1920 is greater than 1800. 1920 is greater than 1800. So Ramkali will be able to fulfill her daughter's dream to sending her school in next year. I hope you are getting my point. This is the complete answer. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. Is it clear, everyone? Very good, Ayush. Now moving to next question, question number 9. Hi Saki. Yes, Sahil. Okay. Clear, sir. Very good. Very good. So how many of you have downloaded the formula sheet from the description, link given in the description? Just raise your hand. How many of you have downloaded the formula sheet? How many of you have downloaded the formula sheet? I have provided in description. The second link will be there. The first link is for sample paper and the second link for your formula sheet. Just let me know. Write your name, raise your hand, give me heart if you have downloaded the formula sheet. That is exclusively for you all, everyone. Especially for you all. Just let me know how many of you have downloaded the formula sheet from the description link given below. I want to see the name of the student. Hi, Suraj. Yes, sir, all clear. Very good, Kavya. Superb. Hello, sir. Hi, Chinu. Hi, Chinu. Welcome to Diksha Vedantu. Very good. See, I have created that formula sheet in very easy manner. Guys, you will not be feeling bothering and irritated over there because I have created the formula sheet in as per your convenience. Sahil is saying me, sir. Very good. Just doing download solo. Yes, very good. Hello. Hi Rohan. Hi Pramod. Hello Sarchinu. Yeah. So that is just for you, everyone. You guys can revise the formula on the day of exam in early morning. Before entering examination hall, at the gate of the center, you guys can go through the formula sheet. Your parents will be there, their phone will be there. You can take the printout also of that formula sheet. That will help you a lot. So instead of turning the page again and again and going through any extra resources, I think you should keep that formula sheet, download the formula and take out the printout. Take the printout of that and keep that printout with you till your examination day. Very good Solo. Download it. Superb. Superb. Hi Rajat, Ayushi, hello. (16) book, okay. Oh, very good. Should we move ahead? Okay, so let's do this question. I don't know. I don't want to read this question, but I will read the last line directly. This is my logical trick. You guys should also apply in your exam. Come on, in word problem question, go to the last line. What is the last line? Come on. How many books did he buy? I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to read the question. Just how many books did he buy? I don't know. Let. I want to let this value because this has to be found out here. We have to find this value. We have to find this value. How many books did he buy? I don't know. So let number of books, shopkeeper, if he had, number of books he bought equals to X. So let's say this is X. Let's say this is X. Is it clear? Okay. Now, a shopkeeper buys a number of books for ₹80. Okay. So, number of book is X. And I don't know also what is the cost of one book. I don't know. This is also unknown. So, let the price or cost, we can write price of one book. Let the price of one book be what? Y, but we have to write here rupees also, because we are talking about price. Here no unit will be there because this is the number, and in number no unit is required, just number counting. So we are taking only X, and this is Y rupees. Now read the question. A shopkeeper buys a number of books for ₹80. So shopkeeper buy a number of books for ₹80. So how many book he bought? X rupees, and the cost of one book is Y. So we can write here X into Y equals to 80. This is your first equation. This is your first equation, right? Who is this? Who is this? Okay. Now, if he had bought 4 more books, come on, this is X. So if he bought 4 more books, X plus 4 into for the same amount, means 80 rupees is same. If he bought 4 more books, if he had bought 4 more books for the same amount, each book would have cost 1 less. So this is the cost of one book, but now the cost of book is decreased by 1 less, so Y minus 1, but the amount is same. So amount is same. So this is 80. And this is, can we solve this, modify? After modifying, we can call that final equation a second. So open the bracket. So X into Y will be XY. X into 1 will be minus X. 4 into Y will be plus 4Y. 4 into 1 will be minus 4 equals to 80. Can we modify this? So XY will be equal to what? We can also, we can replace this here. So don't worry about this. First put the value xy minus x plus 4y. This 4 will go there. So this is 84. This is second equation. So here xy is 80 and this is xy minus x plus 4y equals to 84. And we have to find out each book. We have to find out the value. Come on, my dear. We have to find out value. This is x into y. This is x into y, and this is x 1 ja x, this is y 4 into y, and this is 4 1 ja 4. This is equal to here. Now, can we write this equation as minus x plus 4y equals to 84, and this xy will go there, right? So minus x plus 4y equals to 84, and xy is also 80. So we can put here 80 from equation 1. You can write here from equation number 1. So can we solve this? Minus x plus 4y equals to 84 minus 4. Now this is your second equation. Very easy question. So we have two equations. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Two equation, two unknown. So from equation 2, can we find out x? Yes. So x will go there, 4 will come here. So x will be equal to 4y minus 4. 4y minus 4. This is third. Right? From equation x has gone there and 4 will come this side. So x will be equal to 4y minus 4. Now we can put this value here. So putting third in first. Now put value x here. So x is equal to 4y minus 4 into y equals to 80. Now multiply. So 4y into will be 4y square minus 4y equals to 80. So 4 can be taken as common. So y square minus y, and 24 is 80. 20 will come this side, equals to 0. Equals to 0. Now can we solve this? 5 4 is 20, and 5 minus 4 will be this. So y square minus 5y plus 4y minus 20 will be 0. Now we can take common here. So y will be common, so y minus 5, and here 4 will be common. So this is y minus 5 equals to 0. So we are getting y equals to 5, and y, another value of y will be minus 4. But this is what, y is what? This, the price of one book. So price of one book cannot be negative, so we will ignore this. So we will consider this y. And if this y will be considered, so what will be the value of x? Because we have to find out the value of x. How many books did he buy? So we want to find out the value of y. So instead of taking this, we can also replace this y equals to 80 by x here. So we can directly solve the value of x also. Don't worry, we can proceed anything. So y equals to 5. So now we can put y equals to 5 here. So x will be what, my dear? X will be 80 by y. So 80 by 5. So this will be equal to what, my dear? When we divide 80 from 5, which number will be there? 16 will be there. So 16 books he bought. This is the answer. 16 books he bought. Very easy question. I hope everything is clear. Is it clear, everyone? So very easy question. The most important part is of this question is here. This. If you can write the equation, you can solve this question. Yes, Mikasa, hi. 16 books, very good. Yeah, 16 is there. 16 books. Yes, sir, all clear. Very good. Very good, Sahil. Done. Ayush, very good. Superb, Ayush. Very good. Yes, sir, all clear. Superb, everyone. Moving to next question. See, my dear, you can solve this by so many methods. If this is x equals to xy equals to 80, so you can find y equals to 80 by x from here, and you can put this y here in this equation. So the final equation will be in the terms of x. So directly x will be there. So minus x plus 4 into, we can put here at the place of y. Yes, you can follow this method also. Minus x square plus 320 equals to 4x. I have taken LCM here. So x square minus plus 320 minus 4x equals to 0. Minus, can we take minus common here? So x will become positive, this x will become positive, and this plus will become negative. So by using this method, by using this equation, we can also solve this. Again, same result will come. The same result will come. So you can use any method. Either you can form the equation in terms of x or in terms of y, doesn't matter. Okay, Now question number 10. Look at the question. 20 logs. Okay, so these are the wooden logs. Guys, focus on questions. Come on, focus on question. Who is this? Ayush, she is writing 9. Okay, look at the question. So 200 logs are there. How many logs are there? Total logs 200. So the sum of all the logs Sn is equal to 200. So first read the question. So 200 logs are stacked. Stacked means arrangement, stacking in this way. Following manner, 20 logs in the bottom. Okay, so how many logs are there? In the bottom, 20 logs. Here, this is the first row, 20 logs. Bottom, and 19 in the next row. Okay, 19 logs here in the next. Okay, 18 in the third row. Okay, 18 logs in the third row. Okay, to the next and so on. Okay, so the common difference you can see here, the bottom row is having 20 logs and the second last is 19, third is 18. So the number of wooden logs is decreasing by 1 in each coming row, right? Okay, so common difference is there, -1. In how many rows 200 logs are placed and how many logs are in the top row? Oh, top row means the last term, nth term. So we don't know in how many rows 200 logs will be placed. I don't know. Means we don't know the number of terms. So basically this is AP, my dear. 20, 19, 18, this is AP. And Sn is given to you. Sn is given to you, 200. A is what, my dear? 20. D will be what, my dear? 19 minus 20. 19 minus 20. Always subtract preceding value from succeeding one. So this is -1. So can we use the formula of Sn? So Sn will be equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? This formula will be using here. So Sn is given to you 200 logs. N, we don't know n. What will be n? I don't know. So n by 2, keep it as it is. 2a, 2 into 20. Plus n minus 1. Again, we don't know n. And d will be what? -1. Don't make mistake here that the d will be +1. No. D will be negative. Because in each coming row, the number of logs is decreasing by 1. In the bottom row, 20 logs are there. In this 19, so AP is in this form, 20, 19, 18. So the common difference will be A2. We know common difference is A2 minus A1. And A2 is 19 minus 20. That will be -1. So this is -1. So 2 will go there. So this will become 400. And 20 into 40 will be 40 plus, and this is, yes, minus n. So my dear champion, if we multiply here, this -1 into n, so this will go in -1, minus n, and minus plus 1 will be there. I hope you have understood it. Now open the bracket. So 400 will be equal to 40n minus n square, n into n square plus n. So can we solve this? Can we take at one side, if we can take this whole family there. So n square will become positive, n will become negative, 40n will become negative, okay, and 400 is already there, plus 400 equals to 0. I hope you have understood here. So can we solve this? N square, 40n minus, this is also 1n, na? So 40n minus, that will be 41n, n plus 400 equals to 0. Now to find out the value of n, you guys can use any method. You have quadratic formula as well as you have middle term splitting method. So which formula you guys will prefer here? Just let me know in comment section which formula. So my dear student who is new here, the student who have joined this live session just 2 minutes ago, in description link, my dear, in description formula sheet is given to you. I have created formula sheet. Go and PDF is there. You guys can get the formula sheet. Description, go. Link is given there. By hitting on link, you guys can get the formula sheet. Okay, so my dear champion, how we can solve this question? So you are free to apply any method. You can apply middle term splitting method, or you can apply what method, my dear? Quadratic formula. I will prefer to apply here middle term splitting method, because the middle term is 641. If we take 16 and 15, if we multiply 16 and 15, this is 16 and 25. What will be 16 and 25? Sorry, 16 and 25. I think the product of 16 and 25 will give you 25 and 16. 0, 150, 250. Wow, wow, 400 we are getting. 25 into 60 will give you 400. And if we add 25 and 16, 41 is there. Hello sir, hi. Who is this? I want to see the name of you. Okay, who is this? Who is this? Sir, kya study? Focus on PYQ and focus. Come in my live session only. That will be enough for you. Focus on my live session, my live classes, and PYQ. That will be enough for your board exam. Okay, so now my dear champions, now we can solve this question by middle term splitting method. So what we need to do here? Listen, listen my dear champ, listen my dear champ. Okay, so n square, this 41 can be written as 25 plus 16, n plus 400. Right, can we open the bracket? N square, n square, n square, n square. You might be thinking, sir, is comedian here. So n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400 equals to 0. So can we take n common here? So n minus 25 will be there, and on taking 16 common, n minus 25 is there, equals to 0. So, oh wow, we are having here two brackets. So here n is 16 and here n is equal to what, my dear? 25. But only one answer will be there. Only any one number will be approved. So how we can verify which answer will be there? So we can find out the number of log in the last row. If this is considering this as n equals to 16, if we consider n equals to 16, so n equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now find out a16. So a is what, my dear? 20 plus 16 minus 1 will be 15, and d is my dear champion minus 1. So a25 will be equal to 20, and 15 1 ja 15 minus 15. So a16th is 5. Now considering n as 25, now find out a25. Means if we are assuming that 25 rows are there, so how many number of logs will be there in 25th row? So a25 will be written as a plus 24d. So a is what? 20 plus 24 into d is what? Minus. So 20 and 24 into minus 1. Oh, we are getting minus value. Means it implies that, it indicates that the number of log in 25th row will be minus 4. Number of log cannot be negative. Number of logs can't be negative. So this answer will not be approved. So this will be approved. So how many rows are there? 16 rows are there. And how many logs will be there? Wooden logs? 5 wooden logs. So n is 16 and a16 will be 5 logs. So this is the answer. Let me show this by encircling. So this is the answer. I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes, everyone. Very good, Sahil. Is it clear? Everyone? Any doubts to anyone? Just let me know. If anyone is having any kind of doubt, just let me know. Is it clear? If you want to take a screenshot, you guys can take a screenshot also. And better to practice the questions with me. Very good. Astha, yes sir, very good. Nitu, very good. Avri, very good Avri. You are awesome. Very good. Sachin, hi. Parisoni, hi. Very good. You all are awesome, my dear. You all are awesome. Yes, sir. Very good, Hargun. Very good. Superb, superb, everyone. So tomorrow, don't forget to join in live session tomorrow. So I'll be giving you complete revision of chapter number 1 to 7. And on 15th February, I'll be giving you revision of chapter number 7 to 14. And on 16th February, complete revision from 1 to chapter number 14. So my dear student who is not subscribed the channel yet, go and hit the subscribe button so that you could not miss the notification in future, because these 3 days I'll be completely giving to you all each and every kind of mathematical academic solution that will help you in your board exam. So don't miss my live sessions. Please make sure to come in my live session, my dear. So thank you so much for being here. Stay blessed. And the student who could not solve the question along with me in this live session, post live, please go through the video, write these questions in your notebook and practice, my dear. Because you don't have so much of time. Only 3 days for study. Thank you so much. Stay blessed, everyone. Bye-bye. See you. Take care of yourself and take care of your parents.